Money as an energy is very responsive to our energy. If you like, there are laws around the way money works as an energy, and it cannot supply to you anything that you haven't requested or asked for. So if your energy constantly tells the story, I can't afford my rent, money's a kind of responsive energy. It actually has to supply you with that. We used to have the story of the genie in the bottle, and the genie would say, what do you want? And you'd say what you want, and then magically you would get it. At a certain kind of level, money actually really works like that. But the problem is it supplies you with exactly what you say. So if you say, I never have enough money to pay all my bills, literally, it's kind of like the universe or life has to supply you with that experience. That's the law of life. When we see like, oh, help, I don't have enough money to pay my bills, we start to tell that story over and over again. I don't have enough money to pay my bills. And any good entrepreneur knows that what you need to do is to get into the mode of, okay, how can I create more money? It's a little shift that is a huge shift. Immediately shifts us into creativity.